All right, thank you for watching this video on how to do the daily homeworks. Again, we have separate videos to explain the placement test, the math formula, the grammar rules, and the vocabulary. Remember, the placement tests are what you take with us. They are structured tests that are just like the ACT or the SAT, whereas the math formula, grammar rules, and vocabulary are all homework assignments that you will complete before you start your classes. So the only one that's left on the ACT and the SAT dashboard here is this homework. So this is daily homework. And as you are working through our program, we assign you daily homework assignments after each PT. Remember, those assignments not only include the IMS and WAL questions, which are explained in separate videos, but will also include a homework, what we'll call a homework test. So what we've done is we've taken SAT tests and we've kind of split them in half. So every section, the reading, writing, math section 3 and math section 4 are cut in half, and we have you take those as homework. And again, you can see that I have done 3 of the homework so far. But basically, once you click on that, you'll be taken to a screen like so. We will tell you which homework you're going to take for the day. So for example, homework day 4 here. You'll click on this link to access it. And in order to work on this homework, you need to have a password. So that password will be provided to you by your instructor before you leave for that particular day. And if you don't have that password, you won't be able to complete it. All right. So again, that password is very important because that will be used to open up that daily homework. A couple other things I want to show you here again as we access it is after you take it, you can see what your score was. And what we'd like to see, obviously, is a highest score as possible because, again, this is now practice problems. We don't have any timers on these homework assignments, so we encourage you to go through them at a pace that is good for you so that you can get as many questions right. But like most things, you can go through it once, see your answers, view the score detail, and then you'll have the option to take it again. Now, again, you're not retaking the whole thing. You're only taking the questions you got wrong, which we call the WAQ. So you can see for this first homework, I got an 81% correct the first time. I got 58 out of 72 correct. So that means I only had 14 wrong. So when I clicked on WAQ, it took me to those 14, and I was only able to score 4 of those 14 correct. But my combined score between the first and second time is 86%. Now, that's not bad. But what we'd really like to see you do with each homework is get 90% or higher. All right. And again, we encourage you to take your time. There's no timers for this. But we really want to see this combined score to be 90% or higher. So again, now that I have the ability to do homework 2, WAQ, I had a 79% before. So that means we're going to have 15 questions to retake. And I really want to take my time and try to get as many of those 15 questions right so I can get a 90% or higher. As you proceed through the program and you get better, we like to see 90% or higher with the first go through, with a chance at 100% or higher, or at least 100% on the combined score. All right. But again, that is how to get to your daily homework, remembering that you always have the option to see your answers as well as some detail about the test you took, number of questions you skipped, etc. All right. But again, that is the daily homework. You'll get that after you take each PT. Thank you for watching, and I hope this explained how to access those homework assignments.